font family, font size, and font weight genuinely control which real typeface renders, how big it is, and how bold. In this video you'll set all three real properties. Font family genuinely lists real fonts in preference order. Serif is a real, generic fallback if Georgia isn't actually available. Font size genuinely sets the real actual rendered text size. Font weight genuinely controls real boldness. 700 is a genuine, common value for bold, 400 for normal. Font family genuinely lists fonts in real preference order with a fallback. Font size genuinely sets the actual rendered text size. Font weight genuinely controls boldness from 100 to 900. Style a real heading with a custom font family, size, and weight. Ready to style real links and their different states.